Hi, welcome to UTech TV. In this video, I will show you how to create a 3D perspective typography that look like this one. So let's get started. Draw a rectangle, then press Ctrl Q to convert it to curve. Select Shape tool and highlight this area, and then click on this button up here to scale the shape like this and adjust it properly. Select Extrude and apply it to the rectangle in this way. Add text by selecting the text tool. Copy and paste the text to have another copy of the text like this, and add color to it. Draw an horizontal line using the freehand tool. Center it with the text. Hold Shift and click on the text to combine it with the line. Press C to center it. Then click on the minus from back button up here to divide the text like this. Highlight the upper part and weld it together. Do the same to the lower part. Then scale it to 30 degrees like this for both upper and lower part. Add ash color and group it all together. Draw rectangle shape to add perspective. Highlight all and then press C to center it and press E to justify it. Select the object option up here and click on perspective. Then choose add perspective. And finally, drag it from the edge to shape it to the rectangle like this. And that is all for this video. If you found this video very useful, please like, share and also subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to buy me a super thanks. In case of any question, kindly drop it in the comment section below. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in my next video. Goodbye.